Okay, I'm not sure I know where to start with this. Let's just put that away. You see there, if I just touch that, like so. Now I can also do it with this button here. Allows you to get stuff in the back. It's got 7 seats. See there? That's put the back seat up. That's just moved that one forward. I'll just put the other back seat up like so. There you go. That other back seat's going up too. Now, also, so that puts them down. There's a load of controls in the back. I'll video the controls. So those are the controls there. Now then, let's just try. First of all, you can raise and lower the back with this. So that's putting that seat all the way down. This one. So that's that switch there is putting that seat down. That's flat. And then, now watch that one. That's going down. And the same with that. And then we click that, so you've got a perfectly flat, well, not perfectly flat, but a very, very good load area, and without all the leaning in and pulling up. It was like a workout, to be honest, in the old one, but I mean, that's just fantastic. Here we go, just put these back up. And that one, just from the switches here. And then those two. All you have to do, pull those headrests up like so. And again, those headrests like that, and that's it. It's a marvellous system, really. Very, not as labour intensive as it used to be. Fantastic car, absolutely fantastic.